Hey, this is Tony Ross for TonyTeach.com, and I wanted to talk to you about something a little different today. I was working on one of my other projects, and this is my Instagram page, Marker Dude. Me doing some work, just drawing out with some of my favorite paint pens, Posca paint pens, that is. Posca, one of those. But recently, I was also looking into some print-on-demand things for like whether it's T-shirts or anything like that. So what I came across, a couple of the sites, one of the sites that I use is called Printful. So I was looking at their Instagram. And so when I clicked on their Instagram, it's like, okay, they've got all these followers. That's great. You design and upload, we print and pack, and there's all this fulfillment information, which, by the way, they're using a professional, or I guess the more business Instagram, which I need to look into, but that's not what this is about. So one of the things I was noticing is they're showcasing the different things like, okay, your design here, your design here. That's kind of cool. And showing some people wearing things. That's kind of interesting. But I didn't think anything about it until I went to another company. This is Redbubble. All right. So I went to Redbubble. Uncommon designs on everyday products from independent artists around the world. And they also say, oh, by the way, also at Redbubble Artist, shop our feed. Okay. So if I scroll down here, one of the first things I'm noticing is this full picture here. It's not of a mug. It's not of anything else. Like, yeah, they've got some people sitting with their pieces, some people wearing it, but a lot of this is focused solely on the artwork, not necessarily, hey, this is what you can make with the artwork. And I thought, that's kind of interesting. And then let's push it even further. If you go to Redbubble Artist, then they're really pushing the artist. And I think that says something. I think it's a different way of approaching it. Instead of saying, here's our products. And they're going, hey, we're about the artist. We just happen to make other cool stuff. That's the way it comes across, or at least to me. And let's see, Society 6 is another one. Say, unique and affordable way to design your everyday with art you love. Okay, so they've got High Five, Art We, Blog, Our Artist, About Us. Again, they're doing some pictures, but they're also doing a lot of art. Now, in their defense, let me jump back to Printful to show you this one particular thing. Because they're saying print on demand, drop ship, you design, blah, blah, blah. We've got all these different products. I believe they have another one. This is Printful Design. It says collaborative design services for any product, project, or platform. Get in touch with Printful.com design services. So this isn't, this is, I guess, designers that work for them. And here they're showing a bunch of art. But I thought this was an interesting way to look at things, not just for an Instagram, but an interesting way to approach business. And it's honestly made me think or rethink how I do my work. Am I more about, hey, I made something cool, or hey, check out this tutorial, or am I about, hey, you need to buy this thing for me? And so I thought it was really interesting to kind of push this. And I would love to hear your opinions on it. Do you have an Instagram? Or what are you doing as far as art? Are you pushing the art? Are you pushing your product? Are you doing like the little 80-20 thing? Like 80% of the time you're talking about just art or whatever that is. And maybe 20% of the time you're pushing selling something. So I'd be curious to see what you're doing. Anyway, this has been Tony Ross for TonyTeach.com. Remember, make art, not excuses. So go make something. By the way, yes, follow me on Instagram at MarkerDude. And if you're looking for me, if you're looking for Tony Teach on Instagram, it is Tony Teach-agram. So yeah, there's Tony Teach-agram. There are some of the things we did there. We're going to be working and getting a little more stuff up, but haven't done a lot. But yeah, MarkerDude stuff is a little bit over here as well. So I'm rambling. Have a good one.